Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope we're live. We are going to have a look into the market right now straight away. No time wasting. Still the same thing going on. Still I have to wake up early in the morning. I have to go for a job tomorrow. Still late live stream. Just finished everything for today. Come back home after the job. Went to the gym straight away. Come back home. Had a dinner. And then here I am in front of the charts. It's 12 o'clock, round about 11:16, and still again tomorrow I have to wake up at uh, tomorrow again I have to wake up at 3 o'clock and then 3:30, and I have to take a bus to my work. That's how it is going on. Uh, Yesterday same thing. We was here around about same time. Just sleep for 3 to 4 hours. Did not sleep at well as well yesterday as well. That's how it is like actually going on. This is sorry, this is more of like personal thing, but I really did not wanted to discuss everything. But so we'll go to the chart straight away, try to understand certain levels on daily time frame, how it is performing. Overall, we have seen that from here market has been bullish. This is the weekly fairly gap market has formed. I wanted to go to this chart, by the way. This is more of like a clean chart, up to dated chart, you can say. We have discussed about, we have formed, we're trading above this weekly fair value gap. This weekly close has created this fair value gap on a market. This weekly fair value gap market has created, and then if you go to daily time frame, we are trading above this weekly high. We are still, we are daily fair value gap as well, weekly fair value gap. This purple line is the high of this weekly fair value gap, and this is 50% of the range, and monthly fair value gap high as well, value low as well. We have seen that market has shown rejection from the point of control of the range, point of control of this big range. We have seen that around about it's the same range, and then we are more of like going down. We have inverted this daily fair value gap as well today. For the whole day market was more of like going down. Yes, you can say that market is going toward upper side from here. Yes, it is going up, but it was more of like going down in the morning session as well. It went down, but it went up toward upper side from here. um, there could have been a very good small buying opportunity at this range for these highs. And after that, market was very choppy, very sideways. Anything could have happened. I was watching the price second at this range as well when it went toward upper side, come back down, and then now we have seen that to look at this aggressive price action toward upper side. Difficult to trade, uh, even if you can say that there's element of time as well not there, but still market managed to go toward upper side from here. We'll discuss about everything on 1 minute time frame, how morning session has performed, and I really wanted to discuss daily time frame from the market, like how it is performing. Overall, we're bullish. We have knocked all of those highs, these highs as well, these highs as well. We have seen rejection from the point of control. After that, we have this weekly high, this weekly high. All of those highs we are anticipating from the market to be knocked. So two possibilities: either way, market could come down from here, make a retest to this weekly fair value gap or 50% of the range, and then be bullish. It is possible that it would keep this fair value gap open and then could be bullish from here all the way toward upper side. This is what I was thinking about late in a day as well. When market make this low has already knocked all of those local lows, and these local lows has been knocked, and market has recovered well from this 4 hour time frame. This is what I was thinking about for a whole day, like this low could be the, if market has to be bullish and from here it has to go toward upper side, this low could be the local bottom on a market may not go to knock these lows. It is not, because we are still bullish. This structure is market is still creating low highs, and this could be the another low high as well, and from here market could be bullish to all of those highs. These are highs are very close to each other, could be knocked in a single minute, and then this is what we have seen. I was like anticipating that it is not mandatory for the market to go down to knock all of those lows to the weekly fair value gap then be bullish. It is possible that this could be the low. market is not to go below this low. And from here, look at this, market is like bullish toward up. Aside from here, we have like 1 hour and 39 minutes left for the daily close as well. I really wanted to discuss right now, like, for me, if this is a local bottom, this is what I was thinking. But if this is the local bottom, market should have to know show no intent to go below this low. Up till now we have seen that it has shown no intent. So it now, I would anticipate from the market tomorrow candle, for market, if we close at this range or maybe inside this daily inverted daily fair value gap as well, I would anticipate inverting this daily fair value gap, holding the upward level, and then try to bullish for all of those highs toward upper side. This is what I would anticipate or expect from the market to do on a daily time frame. For the bullish case scenario, if this is the local bottom, market is still bullish. For me, a market going toward upper side and then try to be bullish, try to invert this favorably gap upward level, holding that level, and then be bullish. Try to knock all of those highs, maybe all the way to these highs as well toward upper side. For the bullish case scenario, this is what I'm thinking about. It is also possible that because it's a daily fair value gap, market has inverted, market may show rejection from the 50% of the range, and then could be coming down as well toward lower levels. Maybe it has to knock all of those lows and then be bullish as well. There are two possibilities right now. Continue to be bullish, could should go toward upper side, maybe show rejection, then come down to this area, this area, then be bullish. Or it is, do you think like from here market could be going down to this range and then be bullish? This is the same scenario like this. We have seen that around about at this range you can anticipate from the market, like it could get local top and then could be rolling down as well. It may not knock all of those lows, but we can, if we will anticipate, if we will see if market while going down it holding any of those lows and then be bullish, or continue to be bearish from here. Like all of those per second we will try to figure out on a market like how it could perform. This is what it is. We have seen that from a market, and now I really wanted to jump into more for like a shorter term time frame, 4 hour time frame. For tomorrow bullish case scenario, I would anticipate from the market to close inside this range, open, go down a little bit, maybe hold this lower level of this daily inverted fair value gap, and then try to be bullish to go to upward level, maybe this high or maybe those highs as well. Maybe it is also possible that tomorrow has to be bearish, open, go up to toward upper side, maybe show rejection from the 50% of the range or upward level, and then try to be bearish as well. This is the possibility as well that could play it out on from the market. We cannot deny this. Or 4 hour time frame, this is clear. Look at this 4 hour time frame. I was watching this 4 hour time frame candle, like I was like, bro, this the way it has come down, knocked all of those lows. It is possible, highly likely possible, that this could be the local bottom. Market may not go below this low. From here going toward upper side, inverting this 4 hour time fairly gap and continue its bullish momentum toward upper side, because overall we are still creating lower high at this range, and then we could continue to be bullish or maybe show reaction from at this range and then try to come down, then be bullish, maybe show rejection and try to come down all the way to knock all of those lows at this range and then be bullish as well. We this is what I is like more of like, this is the thing I am in a more of like concern, thinking about from the market that could played out on more of like a bigger picture time frame. We are anticipating that that could be the definitely probability, which could play it out on 1 out of 12, this big 1 out of really gap as well, low level of the daily really gap as well. We'll see if market has a potential to show rejection and come down, holding this level, or maybe 4 out of really gap and then try to be bullish. Or we'll see if market has a potential like, from here continue to be bullish in inverting this 1 hour time fair gap, try to knock this side all of those hours toward upper side as well. This is also possible. We cannot deny this. So this was this momentum to downside, market has formed and knocked all of those lows. At this point, while it was going, we'll discuss everything. By the way, we'll discuss everything. But it was like for me, I was like watching this price action. It was very more of like very sloppy, very choppy on 1 minute time frame, definitely. While it was going toward the upside, this was 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Like difficult to trade in this kind of scenarios. We don't, because we don't know like if market will knock the highs, knock the lows, or what it will do. Because the highs and the lows are far from the price action. But this is what we have seen, that this was 15-minute time frame will have come down all the way, gone up, hold the area, and then it went toward upside. Rejection, show rejection from this range, come back down, still holding this level, and then I don't know, like if you can say that there could be element of trade while market has went aggressively toward upside. Maybe these weeks, this is the 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame fairly gap, and this is the 5-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Market has just tapped into stop loss just below there, and then maybe this could have been this could have been a trade. I don't know, like I was not watching the charts at this point. I was just I was busy on my other stuff as well. But we have seen that market has gone toward upside. Like this is, if you like, if just considering the 4 hour time frame, you will be definitely bullish. Like the way it has knocked all of those lows and aggressively closed above, you will anticipate open go down and then be bullish, open go down and then be bullish. Considering 4 hour time frame, market is already bullish. Market has to go down, up toward upside. So that's why it is very important for me, like personally, which is what I have learned, that to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame levels, how market is performing, what level it is in, what this 4 hour time frame could do. All of those questions I ask myself, like on bigger picture time frame, how it is performing on all of those levels, all of those areas, and all of those predictions, how it could we could anticipate from the market to perform and on certain levels, if you can say like that. So look at this, is going up and up and up. I don't know, this is the thing. I was like watching this 4 hour time frame. I was like, this could be the local bottom. Market may not go below this low. If it is the local bottom, it should have to go toward upper side, invert this 4 hour time frame gap, and then invert daily time frame gap as well, and then try to be bullish for all of those highs, this high as well. This is what I was thinking about, and the same thing played out actually, if you can say like that. It took some time, by the way. Market took some time, definitely. At this range, very sloppy, very choppy. Went toward upper side, come back down again, and then we went toward upper side. Very sloppy, very choppy, not easy to trade. But you can do the speculation because overall we're bullish. We don't need to go down to this daily weekly fairly gap high. We could be bullish like that as well. This low has already knocked all of those previous lows, and the market could be bullish, try to go to the upper side to know all of those highs as well to the upper side. This is what we have seen that from the market. It has gone to the upper side, 5-minute and full gap, all the way going up and up and up, 5-minute and full gap as well, all the way to the upper side from here. Now I really wanted to jump into more of like a 1 minute time frame to understand how market has performed in this New York session. This was a Monday, very sideways, very choppy. Market has done nothing. You have to understand that. And then today, if you watch out today's first section, market was very choppy, very sideways before the opening bell as well. We have seen that at the of a new day opening candle, market went down aggressively, go up, show rejection from this previous high low level of the 4 hour time failure gap, going down, knocking this low, failed to knock all of. Look at this, all of those lows. I was not at all, while it was trading at this range as well. I was not confident on all of those lows at this point, and this was, it could have been a short after the opening of new day candle, go down. This was sideways, and then we went again up, knock the previous highs, come back down, knock this low. After that, come back, very slow, very choppy per second, but in the end market has knocked all of those lows toward low levels. And after the opening bell, market come down a little bit, and then it went aggressively to, it just tapped into this 1 minute after gap. At this point I was looking to buy. The weight has come back inside the range. I was like aggressively, it could be trade. Market could go all the way to the upper side, knocking all of those highs. Maybe it is possible that it could knock all of those highs as well. And I bought at this point actually, and then I was looking for all of those highs. But at some point, at market just come close, come close to my entry. and I was like, close the market, bro. I'm not very confident or not very focused as well on a market, so that's why I closed my position at this range, and then market went further toward upper side. This price action was very sad, it was very choppy, difficult to trade, but you could have taken this trade. Look at this, going up and up and up. It really wants to go up toward upper side for me. It seems like the way it is going toward upper side. But this is 1830 market. Stock market is also already closed at this moment, and then market is